1 Foxtrot Tango, turn 10 degrees left, vectors for traffic.
10 left, vectors traffic, 1 Fox Tango.
10 left.
10 left, heading mode. Monterey. Approach, send a briefing. Wind over.
Yep.
Contact,
Sky 3620.
you have come on.
89 uniform, flighting 140.
Del Monte Aviation, November 251 Fox Tango, where you check? Okay, back on com 1. Back.
Number 1 Foxtrot Tango, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, 1 Fox Tango.
6,000.
Okay. 10,000 checks.
Slowing down first.
Smoke belts on. Go belts.
Set left.
Set right. APU blades. Speed's good. Altitude's good.
Hotel approach, TBM 53 Hotel Kilo 18.2.
APU confirmed.
10,000.
153 Hotel Kilo, NorCal approach, roger, descend and maintain 8,000.
8,000, 3 Hotel Kilo.
3 Hotel Kilo, fully installed altimeter is 2993, advise when you have the 1 minute weather.
2993, and I do have the 1 minute weather, 3 Hotel Kilo.
Scout 5620, contact approach 124.52. 2452, Scout 5620.
Local approach is Cheetah 57 Zulu at the mist at their Salinas 31, going to be at Warner, driving to 3000.
57 Romeo Zulu, NorCal, radar contact, maintain VFR, resume 1 navigation.
Maintain VFR, resume navigation, 57 Romeo Zulu, followed by 1 from the localizer 2 approach.
Hydraulic pump stalled for clock, avionics set for the approach.
NorCal departure, citation 285, Charlie, Charlie, we're within, we're out of, I'll make it 1.6 or 7.
November 285, Charlie, Charlie, NorCal departure, radar contact. I'm going to maintain 900,000.
9,000, 285, Charlie, Charlie,
2879, contact Monterey, tower 18.4.
18.4 from American, 2079, get it.
November 1 Foxtrot Tango, clear direct XR, cross XR outer above 5,100, cleared straight in on a Yankee, runway 28 left approach.
Clear direct XR, cross XR out about 5,100, clear RNAV. 28 left, Yankee approach, 1 Fox Tango.
Number 5 Charlie, Charlie, turn right, heading 070, wind able direct Salinas.
Well,
Right,
only
070,
in the direct
direct
XR.
Salinas.
No, we
Oh,
were
it's
heading
heading, you're right. XR, direct. And 5,100 above.
Yep. Looks good.
Half available.
Having.
We're waiting for ground 2087.
American, sure.
I think I got the airport side.
Number 5 Charlie, Charlie, maintain 900,000, contact approach 124.52.
2452 for 285, Charlie, Charlie, thanks.
November 89 uniform, resume on navigation.
Resume on nav, 89 uniform.
Okay, plates. Set. Approach checks complete.
Probably cooled down the cockpit.
It's not that hot there.
Hot?
No, it's like 19 degrees.
Not too bad.
18.
Number 89 uniform, flight 140.
14089 uniform.
Going direct XR,
Yep.
crossing 51 and above, and cleared approach.
Yep. Airport in sight.
Insight.
Approach check, United 89 uniform, like to request 7,500 if possible.
Marine 9 uniform, out to your discretion.
Up to my discretion, 89 uniform.
Local departure, good afternoon, Pilatus, November 6720 Delta out of Watsonville with request. Local departure, good afternoon, Pilatus 6720 Delta.
Bayflight 31 traffic, correction, Bayflight 21 traffic, 12 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, out indicates 4,400.
Looking for traffic, Bayflight 21.
6,000 missed approach.
Number 1 Foxtrot Tango, contact Monterey Tower, 18.4.
18-4, 1 Fox Tango.
Over Marine 9 uniform.
Monterey Tower, Challenger 251 Fox Tango on the RNAV Yankee 28 left, parking Del Monte.
Clear 251 Foxtrot Tango, Monterey Tower, runway 28 left, clear to land.
28 left, clear to land, 1 Fox Tango.
Alright, flaps 10 please.
Speed check, flaps 10.
American 2879, left turn at the end, and then taxi terminal via Alpha.
Left turn at the end to the terminal via Alpha American 2879.
And flaps 20.
Flaps 20.
Gear down.
Gear down. Three greens.
Roger. Going manual.
Copy.
And flaps full.
Flaps full.
Bug ref, please.
114. Set for landing checklist, gear down, 3 greens confirm.
Confirm, 3 green, flaps
We
30.
do have landing clearance, lights are on, for landing complete.
Roger that.
A beautiful area.
Yeah. It really is.
Oh, that's the Laguna Seca
Yeah, that's the racetrack there.
Yeah.
Monterey Tower, Skyhawk 53456. pulling short, 28 left, ready for takeoff.
50 mil change.
Sir 53456, Monterey Tower, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff, no delay, traffic 2 mile final Challenger.
I take the flight director
28
off.
left, clear for takeoff, Skyhawk 456.
Thank you.
Traffic departing.
I see it.
Runway clear.
Thank you.
Sir 456, begin your right crosswind.
Beginning right cross, Skyhawk 456.
100, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Spoilers deployed. Reversers green. $80.
Sir 1 Foxtrot, Tango, left turn at Foxtrot, continue Del Monte, this frequency.
Left on Fox, on your frequency, 1 Fox Tango.
Sir 456,
50
radar
knots.
contact, say altitude.
Next left.
Idle.
Climbing past 1000, Skyhawk 456.
And you can do the after landing checks.
After landing checklist. Probes off, wings anti-house off, flaps coming up, and lights are set.
Roger that.
Landing complete. Taxi lights off.
Thank you.
Starter. Yep.
Runway 3952 is ready upon reaching.
Runway 3952, Monterey Tower, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright,
Everything
park
else good?
brake,
Runway
as well
3952.
steering, anti-ice is off, gust lock, engines, and lights.
Yep.